MJ, you know you're not trapped in there, right?
Almost made it into the cereal box. How to prevent cats' bad plans.
Hi, Mr. Moon Pie. Come on in. Oh my goodness. Moon Pie, are you happy now that you played in the snow? And by play in the snow, I mean literally he just sits there and he lets it snow on him.
Milk with sound effects. Why eat food when you can chew the can?
What are you doing? What's the matter? Are you mad at me? No? Okay, good. What are you gonna do? Oh, what's up? Why are you swearing at me? Okay. Yeah. I love you.
Tiny warrior in recovery mode.